Okay, so now letting yourself find a nice, comfortable position, having everything just as you like it, and feeling nice and comfortable as you lie down. And slowly and gently allowing your eyes to close. And we begin by taking 3 slow, deep breaths. And as you lie there with your eyes closed, taking slow, deep breaths, just imagining that you're floating on a cloud. And imagine what your cloud looks like. Is it white? Is it fluffy? And imagining what your cloud feels like. Is it soft? Is it comfy? And as you lie there, taking slow, deep breaths on your soft, comfy cloud, noticing that the warm sun is shining up above you and sending its warm rays down across your body, warming you from head to toe. And so as you lie there, taking slow, deep breaths on your soft, comfy cloud with the warm sun up above you, just noticing now that your feet feel heavy and warm. Your feet feel so heavy and so warm from the sun that they sink deep down into your soft, fluffy cloud. And noticing now that your legs feel heavy and warm. The warmth of the sun is making your legs feel so warm and so heavy that your legs sink deep down into your soft, fluffy cloud. Noticing now that your belly is heavy and warm and soft. Your soft belly is warm from the sun, and your belly is so heavy and so warm. It sinks deep down into your soft, fluffy cloud. And noticing now that your back feels heavy and warm and relaxed. Your back is so relaxed and heavy and warm that your back also sinks deep down into your soft, fluffy cloud. And noticing now that your shoulders are heavy and warm. Your shoulders are heavy and warm and sink deep down into your soft, fluffy cloud. And feeling your arms and your hands and your fingers. Your arms and hands and fingers are heavy and warm Your arms and hands and fingers are so heavy and warm that they sink deep down into your soft, fluffy cloud. And noticing that your head and your face feel heavy and warm. You feel all the muscles in your face relax. Your cheeks feel soft, and your mouth feels soft, and your forehead is soft. And your face and your head are so heavy and warm that they sink deep down into your soft, fluffy cloud. And noticing now that your whole body feels heavy and warm. Your whole body feels so heavy and warm that it sinks deep down into your soft, comfy cloud. And as you lie there, taking slow, deep breaths, heavy and warm in your soft, comfy cloud, just noticing that you feel calm and relaxed and happy. And know that any time that you need to feel calm and relaxed and happy, you can close your eyes, take 3 slow, deep breaths, and imagine yourself heavy and warm and floating on your soft, comfy cloud.